People sometimes ask, will filing bankruptcy wipe out a judgment? I'm attorney Stuart Sandweiss, and I'm here to explain to you a little bit about how the bankruptcy system works with regard to judgments. Well, first of all, let's take a look. What happens when somebody gets a judgment? Usually a creditor, somebody who's seeking money, will go to a court, usually a state court, and they will sue the person who they're trying to get a judgment for. Ultimately, if the person suing, the plaintiff, wins, there's going to be a judgment against the defendant for whatever amount of money that they're suing for. Well, in Michigan, you have 21 days where there's an automatic stay on that judgment pursuant to state law. And after that, the creditor, the person who got the judgment, can proceed to take collection action and so forth. If a person files a bankruptcy case, the action will stop. They won't be able to do any more collection work. And depending upon what kind of bankruptcy it is, we'll see it depends on how it's going to come out. So, for example, in a Chapter 7 case where a person gets a discharge, chances are that debt is going to be discharged unless it was for something like fraud, which can be non-dischargeable. However, in a Chapter 13 case, the debt will be probably part of a repayment plan where the debtor, the person filing bankruptcy, pays all or part of their creditors over a 3 to 5 year period. Depending upon how much other debt they have and how much their income is and so forth, sometimes they can pay 100% of that debt. Sometimes they can only pay 10%, 5%, or even 0%. Maybe they want to only pay their mortgage company and their car payment, and everybody else, all the unsecured creditors like the credit card debt and stuff, will not be paid at all. So it really depends on the circumstances, but in any case, a bankruptcy will help stop collection of a judgment, whether it's a state court judgment or a federal court judgment. You got any questions about judgments, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be glad to get back to you.